one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Mnangagwa faces mounting criticism as businesses collapse. The 29th of August 2025, by a correspondent, President Emmerson Mnangagwa is under intensifying pressure as Zimbabwe's economy continues to unravel, with business leaders and citizens alike warning that the country has reached breaking point. Critics accuse Mnangagwa of presiding over rampant incompetence, with some describing his administration as morally bankrupt and devoid of solutions. The late opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai famous warning that "you cannot rig an economy" has resurfaced, as many argue that state propaganda and political slogans can no longer mask the crisis. This week, Bon Marché shut down its Marandara branch, a development seen as another indicator of economic collapse. The closure adds to a growing list of companies folding under soaring inflation, a collapsing currency, and government policies widely viewed as destructive. Even the boardroom and the supermarket aisles are crying out. It is no longer politics, it is survival, one analyst observed, stressing that Mnangagwa's government has run out of lies, as ordinary citizens and corporate leaders alike demand urgent crisis talks. Business executives have reportedly started pushing for dialogue with the president, citing an environment that is no longer sustainable. Despite this, Mnangagwa's loyalists continue to publicly defend him, with ruling party insiders accused of ignoring the severity of the crisis, while ordinary Zimbabweans face daily hardships. Observers warn that unless meaningful reforms are implemented, more companies will shut their doors, and the economy will slide further into collapse, leaving citizens to shoulder the burden of failed leadership.